Forests are one of the most important ecosystems on Earth. The existence of forests turns out to have many benefits for humans, animals and other living creatures, either directly or indirectly. We need to know the importance of forests in human life in order to be able to maintain forests whose area continues to decline due to high rates of deforestation. Here are the benefits of forests for humans. Forests are the lungs of the world. This area is filled with various plants so that it can absorb a lot of carbon dioxide as well as produce oxygen. Oxygen is needed by humans and animals to breathe. It is on this basis that the forest has been nicknamed the lungs of the world. Forests are home to more than 80% of animals and plants worldwide. To preserve various plants and animals, we must take care of the preservation of these habitats. In addition, the forest is also home to millions of people who live in the interior of the forest. Plants and animals that live in the forest can be used as a source of food and medicine. However, be careful not to make it extinct. For plants, it is important to replant them so that they remain sustainable. As for animals, it is important to prevent poaching because it can threaten the population of these animals. Plants in the forest make the soil filled with plant roots. These roots are able to hold water in the soil. This will prevent natural disasters such as landslides and floods. Therefore, it is important to carry out reforestation or replanting. The forest is where the springs are located, with a variety of plants in the forest. The quality and cleanliness of the water is maintained. This water will be a source of water for drinking and various other human needs. One of the unique things that many people may not know is that forests are able to reduce noise pollution. Sound entering the forest will be reduced by 5 to 10 decibels, equivalent to 50% of the sound heard by humans. This is caused by the sound of rustling leaves, the sound of river water, and white noise that appears in the forest, such as the sound of birds chirping or other sounds.